Hey guys, today I will introduce to you a basic spray dryer. The model is YC-015. From the appearance, you can see that the front part of the machine is made of high borosilicate glass. We can clearly see the whole process of the experiment. Let me introduce how it works. First, the liquid material enters through the feed pipe, and it atomizes into small droplets at the spray head. In the drying chamber, the small droplets meet the heated air and instantly, under the action of the cyclone separator, the powder is collected in the collection tank. The maximum processing capacity of YC-015 is 1,500 ml per hour. This equipment is the first spray dryer developed by our company in 2012. YC-015 covers an area about 1 square meter, and the height is about 1.4 meters, which is very small. The air compressor is built in, which saves more space, and with wheels it's very easy to move. The performance of the machine is very stable and the effect is very good. 90% of domestic universities, research institutes, and many companies have already bought this spray dryer from us. You can find a lot of articles about our machines on Google Scholar by searching for Shanghai Pilotech or our Chinese name, Shanghai YC-015. Its noise is very low and it will not affect other colleges when doing experiments in the laboratory. We only need to prepare 30 ml of material to do an experiment. If you are interested in YC-015, please contact us for more information and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.